Do you have burger cravings just as we do? Well, then you're in the right place because the Chili Fry Brothers got you absolutely covered. In this video, we bring to you a supremely crunchy burger that's soft on the outside, crisp on the inside, and just has the right amount of moistness and juiciness that will make your day super duper great. We had so much fun biting into it, and you can absolutely tell with this first bite. So stay tuned with the Chili Fry Brothers, especially to the end of the video, because we are going to show you how this burger is made and how it tastes. So let's go to it in 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, we are the Chili Fry Brothers and we welcome you to JB King's Juice and Burgers
at Mira Road.
Let's see how the JB Crispy Chicken Burger is made. It all starts with that wonderful chicken patty which is deep fried to a crisp. The buns are cut, appropriately buttered up, and then put into the oven because it's gonna get absolutely toasty. Simultaneously, the veggies are cut, onions and tomatoes. And now it's time to layer up this burger. It starts with a base of mayonnaise, and on top of that, a little bit of lettuce, followed by that lovely crispy chicken patty and the onion and tomato which was just cut. But no burger would be complete without that cheese sauce. Lots of cheese sauce. Well, the JB Crispy Chicken Burger is now ready. The JB Crispy Chicken Burger priced at only 110. It looks absolutely yummy and delicious. Engel, why don't you explain to our viewers what's inside this burger?
So, as you open the bun, you can see mayo and more mayo. You can see tomatoes. You can see the main chicken crispy patty. And as you open this, you can see the onions, the lettuce leaf, and obviously the toast, the bun what you've seen is actually nice butter they are applied, and you see this entire bun they have actually kept in the oven and they've made it nice so that we can feel the crunch. Yeah,
Crunch on the outside, softness on the inside, and it's served with a side of salad which is flavored with some mayonnaise and some tomato ketchup. So it's time for the Chili Fry Brothers to taste. Chicken crispy burger, let's go ahead and taste. Engel bud. No.
Desi style.
Cheers. So on this outside, the bread is extremely soft, and the patty has a whole lot of chicken mince or keema inside it. It's very lightly flavored with salt, pepper, as well as some coriander. And on the outside, it has some breadcrumbs, which gives it that crunchy texture. To elevate the level of this burger, they have put a whole lot of mayonnaise on top, along with, of course, the veggies. It's delicious, and for 110 bucks, it's worth a try here at this restaurant.
Actually, while you're speaking, I was just enjoying the sound of the crunch which this patty is coated, as my brother said about the coating, the crunchy. So I'm just enjoying the crunch. So let's take another bite.
Let's take another bite.
Cheers! Cheers!
We are with the owner of JB King's restaurant. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Anish.
Anish,
Yes.
okay.
And this is my brand JB Kings for burgers and juices. So JB stands for juice and K stands for burgers. So we have our own variety which is actually different from what is there in the market right now. So basically we are coming up with shakes which are actually different. Like we have tender coconut shakes, juice varieties and all. Then burgers are also actually different from what we have. We have got patties which are made from in-house, and then we're working on more burgers, especially grilled ones, which are actually different in the market, and they were coming up with charcoal grilled burgers. So there are a lot of new stuff coming in.
What are your store timings?
So we start from 11 till 11 a.m. Till 11:30 p.m.
11 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. So that's a full day of delicious food and goodness. And can you share with us your address?
So we are located in Kanakya Road, right near to MACD, near Star Bazaar.
It's
Thank
time to support local businessmen. It's time to support local entrepreneurs. It's time to come to JB King's Juice and Burgers here at Meera Road.